Hello everybody and welcome to my e-lesson. I'm your guru and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Excel 2013. A Gantt chart, as we all know, is a way of representing the project, the life cycles of activity. Like in this case, we have taken a web development life cycle wherein we have a sequential number of tasks which are set in a sequence, then the start dates and the duration that would be taken to completing those tasks, and then in the end, by adding these two things, we would be able to get an end date. Now, this is in a web development life cycle. What is typical is we create the wireframes, then we design the website, then we then we do the HTML, and then we do the development, and along with development we do the QA. Now these are the start dates of the respective activities, these are the hypothetical durations, and by adding these two I have been able to come to end date. Now how do we represent this in a beautiful looking diagram like this? This is a Gantt chart. See, all this information has been depicted over here so very beautifully. Let me show you how it is done. It is very easy to do. Let me just delete this one. Alright. First of all, what we have to do is we have to select this data, click on insert, go to bar charts, select a 2D bar chart. Whenever they use the word bar, I kind of think of Jack Daniels. But that is not what we are gonna think of. Okay, let's stick to the business. No Jack Daniels right now. All right. Now, the first thing that we need to do is, now we have the basic outline of our Gantt chart over here. What we need to do is we need to select the smallest date in the start date column and the largest date in the end date column. And I've selected these two together using the control key, and then I'll press right click and then I'll go to format cells and I will format them to general. Alright, I click on OK. Now over here, now I click on this axis, right click, format axis, and in this axis option, what I do is I type in the minimum value, which is 41573, and the largest value is this one, 41624. We are just defining the largest, the starting point and the end point of this data table. That is what we are doing. That's it. We are done. See, now what we have to do is, now if you see, our wireframe is the first activity, however it is listed at the bottom. We need to reverse this trend. How we'll do that? We will just click over here, select this column, right click it, go to format axis. First of all, when it says horizontal axis crosses, we need to click at add maximum category, and then in this section axis position, we need to click on categories in reverse order. Categories in reverse order. Here we are. Our Gantt chart is almost ready. Now what we need to do is reverse these two numbers to their regular date format. Select both of them by clicking Control and then click. Then do a right click and go to format cells. Go to date format. Choose an appropriate date format. Click OK. The start date 26th October, the end date 15th December, 16th December. Okay, very near. Now, we need to remove these blue colored bars and these gray colored bars because Excel has automatically filled them in to represent data which is not there. Now, which is also not useful to us. The gray bars represent the dates which would be following the duration. The orange bars represent the duration, and that is what we need. The gray bars show end dates, so we don't need them. What we need to do is just click on any of the gray bars and go to fill and select no fill. There they are gone. Now go to any of the blue bar, which is the start dates, which represent the start dates. We don't need them. Simply click them, go to fill and select no fill, and here we are. Here is our beautiful looking Gantt chart. We can change the colors of individual things. Double click over here, go to home, click over here, choose a color. Double click this, another color. Another color for this one, another color for this one. This is fun. While I'm enjoying doing some coloring, what you can notice is that you can download this file from www.myelesson.org for free so that you can practice along. This is something that you would master with practice. This is a beautiful way to represent things in using a chart. I hope you like this video. In the next so until the next video, this is your guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.